Have you been looking for an affordable option? I think I've got a great option for you. It's 11 Nairne Court in Noarlunga Downs, and it's really neat and tidy with a modernised kitchen directly opposite a beautiful reserve and at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac. It's got a modernised kitchen and it's been freshly painted and it's all ready to go. If you want any more details, click the Learn More button to hit the floor plan and the open times. But in the meantime, let's jump inside and have a quick look. There you have it. This one's so neat and tidy. The fresh paint, the modern flooring, and of course this beautiful kitchen makes this affordable option absolutely perfect for anyone that isn't that handy and wants everything done before they come. It's got a great sized backyard, and the quiet cul-de-sac is a beautiful little spot. It's a great little neighbourhood, and it's really going to suit the first home buyers and the investors. And so I can't wait to show it to you. We'll have open inspections very soon, so just keep an eye online, and I'd love to see it in open soon.